Okay, next, welcome to class. This is also another expression. Remember I told you that if a straight line variable is not equal to 0, we call it an expression. But if it is equal to 0, we call it a quadratic equation, or an equation, as the case will be. So let's solve this expression very quickly. I told you that we are going to do this. We have a product. This is my product. We have product here. We have my sum here. We have my factor here. So now what's my sum? My sum is multiply my factor, my product is multiplying all of this by this. That will give us 60x cubed, please. My product, multiply all of this one by this. I'm having this. Now, next, what is my sum? My sum is the center value, so 28x. Now, how do we get the factor now? We simply go to the product. We use the product to get the sum and the factor. So what do you multiply to give you minus 60? And when you add or subtract, you get plus 28. It's simple. This is 60. What do we multiply to give you 60? And then when you add or subtract, give you 28. Simple. 30 times 2 will give us 60. 30 times 2 will give me 60. But here my product is minus 60. Am I correct? But before you do that now, check the sum. The sum is having a plus sign. And I told you in the first two videos that if this is your emphasis, the sum is your emphasis, you're going to look at the sign there. If the sign is positive, the big number here, whatever you are multiplying to give you the product, must be negative. If it is positive, the big number here must be positive. Here now is positive. That means the big number here is positive. So here is plus, here is minus. If you do that, plus 30 times this one will give us minus 60. So how do I get plus 28 now? Remove this. Remember I said when you either add or subtract. We did not say when you either multiply or subtract. When you either add or subtract. So remove these times. So I will have plus 30 minus this one. This will give us 28. So this is it, plus 28. So these are my factors. I will take these two now. This one here. So I have 30x and minus 2x. So this is what I'm having. So what's the next thing we'll do now? We want to increase it to be 4. Take the first value here. I have this value. Don't put this anymore. Put the factor. So the factor is this value minus this value. Take the last thing here. I have this. Observe that it has now increased from a trinomial format into a quadratic format. Bracket this one now. 2, 2. I have this. Now, what is common in the first bracket? Check the first bracket. What is common? Observe that something can go in 20 and something can go in 30. So what is the number that can go in 20 and in 30? You also check this bracket. Check this bracket. This is 2 and 3 that we are having. That means you cannot use smaller number here. You need big number to do that. So let me use 10. So I will use 10 here. I will take 10 out. Observe that there's x and there's another x here. So bring one of the small x out. This is what you are bringing out. This is bigger. This is smaller. Take the smallest one. So 10x now will divide 20x squared. I'm having it as 2x. That's what I'm having. Next, 10x dividing 30x like this, divided by 10 like this. X cancels x. X is out. This cancels this one. Here is plus 3. This is it. This is what I'm having here. Minus here. Put my minus sign here. What is common in this bracket is 1. 1 is the only thing that can go in this one and this one. 2 cannot go here. 3 cannot go here. It's not possible. So it's only 1 that can go in the both of them. So I will now have that here becomes what? 2. I'll bring my 1 out, please. Here becomes, just repeat this bracket. Repeat it. It's the same thing. Repeat it. That is all. From here now, pick the outside one or take the bracket. Pick one of the brackets. You are correct. Let me pick the outside one now. I have 10x minus 1 here. I have this. And I also have, pick one of this one. So I'm having this. This becomes my final answer. If this is the first time I've come across this channel, please kindly do well. Click the plus sign and follow for more. Tell this to your friends, sisters, brother, and your community about this channel. Bye-bye. See you in the next class.